You gonna play in the water, JJ? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Jordan? What are you gonna do? You gotta go in the Wawa. Yay! Yay! It's sploosh sploosh. JJ, sink bird. Yeah, you wanna come in? I can help you in. Up, up. Up, up. Come here. Yay! Go on the hands. There you go. Jordan, you can go on the hands. Yay! Boop, boop, boop. Oopsies. Jordan, go on in. Step on the fingers. Yay! Yeah! Good girl. Whoa, you got scared. You big baby. Come on, JJ, come back. Come back. Get these stinkums. Yeah. Okay, we'll lower it. We'll get a little water out of there. We're gonna go in the sink, huh? You wanna go in the sink? Is that what you want? We'll go in the sink? Oopsies. Wrong thing. You wanna go in there? We'll fill it up. Maybe you wanna go in the sink. Where do you wanna go? The sink or the bowl? JJ, wanna go in there? Oh, we got some schmutzies in there. Come here. Yay! JJ! Yay! Go in there! Go in the Wawa! You got a little piece of lettuce. Uh-oh. You go in the Wawa? JJ, go in the Wawa the rest of the way. I lowered you in the sink. I lowered you in there so you could be unstinky in the sink. JJ, you gotta go in the Wawa. Go in there, go deeper. Go deeper. JJ, go deeper. Go on in there. It's not scaries. Go in the Wawa. There you go. JJ, go in the Wawa. You're so close. You got the whole sink to play in. I can't help you. I'm holding the phone. Jordan, go in. Pop, go in there. It's safe. Yeah. Get wet. Jordan. It's good and warm. Uh-huh. Yeah, you goof. Yay! Go deeper, yeah! That's a good girl. You go in there, huh? Go deeper. I'll move my fingers more. There you go. That's a good girl. Splooshy in the sinky. Splooshy. Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah. Okay, JJ. Is that fun? That's fun. That's a good girl in the sink. Little baby taking a bath in the sink. Who's a good girl? Yeah, you're a good girl. Uh-huh. Sploosh, sploosh. Splooshy, splooshy. What's this lettuce in there? Yeah. Sploosh, splooshy. JJ, you're getting excited. It's fun, huh? Nice warm water. Splooshy. I don't know which way to hold the phone. You ready to come up? Okay, girl. Good girl. Come up to Daddy. Yay! Who's a good girl? I give you scritches now. Okay? Good girl. Bye-bye.